The sun, our life-giving star, is a constant source of energy and warmth. But what if this source of life turned into a harbinger of chaos? What if a solar storm, an enormous eruption of energy from the sun, actually hit Earth? In this video, we'll explore the science behind solar storms, their potential impacts on our modern world, and how we can prepare for such an event. Join us as we delve into the dramatic scenario of a solar storm hitting Earth. Solar storms are caused by intense activity on the sun's surface. These storms consist of solar flares and coronal mass ejections, or CMEs. Solar flares are bursts of radiation, while CMEs are massive clouds of charged particles and magnetic fields ejected from the sun. A solar flare releases a tremendous amount of energy, equivalent to millions of nuclear bombs exploding simultaneously. When a CME towards Earth, it can cause geomagnetic storms, affecting our planet's magnetic field. One of the most powerful solar storms on record was the Carrington Event of 1859. It caused widespread disruptions in telegraph systems and produced auroras visible near the equator. In today's technologically dependent world, a solar storm of similar magnitude would have far-reaching consequences. Satellites, power grids, communication systems, and even airplanes could be severely affected. Satellites in orbit are particularly vulnerable to solar storms. High-energy particles can damage their electronics, leading to communication failures and navigation errors. Power grids are also at risk. A powerful solar storm could induce electric currents in the Earth's crust, overloading transformers and causing widespread blackouts. Imagine a world without electricity, no lights, no internet, no water or healthcare facilities. The immediate chaos and disruption would be unprecedented. The long-term effects of a solar storm hitting Earth could be devastating for our economy and society. Financial markets could collapse, hospitals could lose power, and emergency services would be overwhelmed. A prolonged power outage would disrupt supply chains, leading to shortages of food, medicine, and other essential goods. The economic impact could reach trillions of dollars. Aviation would be heavily impacted as well. Aircraft rely on satellite-based navigation and communication systems, which could be rendered useless during a solar storm. Space missions would face increased risks. Astronauts on the International Space Station and future missions to the Moon or Mars would need to take shelter from the intense radiation. Fortunately, scientists and engineers are developing ways to mitigate solar storms. Early warning systems, hardened infrastructure, and better space weather forecasting are critical components of our defense strategy. With advanced monitoring systems, we can predict solar storms and take precautionary measures, such as shutting down vulnerable systems and rerouting flights. Governments and organizations worldwide are also collaborating to improve our resilience to space weather events. Public awareness and preparedness are key to minimizing the impact of a solar storm. By educating the public and conducting regular emergency drills, we can ensure that communities are ready to respond to a solar storm. While the prospect of a solar storm hitting Earth is daunting, it's important to remember that humanity has the knowledge and ingenuity to face such challenges. By understanding the science, preparing for the worst, and working together, we can protect our planet and our way of life. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fascinating explorations of what-if scenarios. Stay curious, stay informed, and stay prepared.